Hello everyone, this is the second video of chemical bonding. In this video we are going to discuss about the covalent bond for class 9th standard. Now here, what is the definition of covalent bond? Covalent bond formed between two atoms having same electronegativity, generally between non-metal and non-metal, by mutual sharing of electrons. Now what is mutual sharing? When two atoms are going to place same number of electron at the center, that is called mutual sharing. Now here we have taken the first example of chlorine. How Cl2 molecule form? Now Cl2 molecule is made up of two chlorine atom. Now both the chlorine atom having 7 electron in their outermost shell with atomic number 17, 2, 8, 7. So they have 7 electron in their outermost shell. So what will happen? They need 1 electron to complete its octet. So this chlorine required 1 electron to complete its octet. So this chlorine will place 1 electron at the center. Is it? And this chlorine again have 7 electrons in the outermost shell and it also required 1 electron at the center. So it will also place 1 electron at the center. So both the chlorine has placed 1 electron at the center. So it is called mutual sharing. And it will be shown by a single bond because both the atom has placed 1 electron at the center. So it is called mutual sharing and shown by single covalent bond. Now in this case, this pair of electron, that is from one electron from each chlorine, that is called shared paired electron. And these electron pair, they didn't take part in bond formation but remain the part of the valence shell. In that case, they are called lone pair. So this chlorine atom have 3 lone pair, 1, 2, 3. This chlorine atom will also have 3 lone pair. Now what is the definition of lone pair? The electron pair does not take part in bond formation but remain the part of the valence shell. That is called lone pair. Now one more example we are going to take here, that is H2, hydrogen molecule that is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms. Now hydrogen have atomic number 1 and will have 1 electron in the first shell, which is the outermost shell. So it required 1 more electron to complete its duplet. So it required 1, so it will place 1 electron at the center. So the number of electron required will be placed at the center. So hydrogen has placed 1 electron at the center. This hydrogen also required 1 electron to complete its duplet. It will also place 1 electron at the center. Now by sharing, both the hydrogen atom complete its duplet and make the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas helium and become non-reactive. So here H2, why we are writing single bond? Because both the atom has placed 1 electron at the center. Here 1 shared paired electron to a single bond. Now these two are the homoatomic, means same, made up of same atoms, HH and ClCl. But HCl is, that is heteroatomic, made up of 2 different atoms. Now hydrogen has 1 electron in their outermost shell, first shell, and chlorine have 7 electron in their outermost shell. So hydrogen need 1 electron to complete its duplet, while chlorine need 1 electron to complete its octet. So both the atom will place 1 electron at the center. So chlorine have 7 electron, it will place 1 electron at the center and 6 electron will left here. We will write in pair, that is called lone pair electron. This hydrogen will also place 1 electron at the center, and by sharing, by mutual sharing, hydrogen completed its duplet and chlorine completed its octet. So here there is a 1 shared pair electron and 3 lone pair electron with Cl. So we can also write the lone pair electron after for showing the bond. So these dot structures are called Lewis dot structure. Now one more example we are taking, that is very important example, ammonia. Ammonia having atomic number 7 and electronic configuration 2, 5. So it required 3 electron, and here we are going to get a combination of nitrogen and hydrogen, and hydrogen required 1 electron and nitrogen required 3 electron. So it means 3 hydrogen will be attached with the nitrogen. So I have placed 3 different hydrogen and nitrogen at the center because nitrogen is going to combine with 3 hydrogen, so it will be at the center. So nitrogen have 5 electron in the outermost shell. It will place 1 electron towards this hydrogen. Then this hydrogen will also place 1 electron. Nitrogen place 1 electron towards this hydrogen at the center, exactly at the center, and hydrogen will also place 1 electron at the center. Here nitrogen place 1 electron at the center, hydrogen will also place 1 electron at the center, and out of 5, 3 electron used, so 2 is left with the nitrogen. So here hydrogen will place one more electron at the center and complete its duplet. Hydrogen completes duplet and become inert gas configuration, helium. Now in case of nitrogen, nitrogen have got 3 electron, then it's completed its octet. So now 1, 2, 3. 3 shared per electron with different hydrogen. So we will write 3 single bond with different hydrogen with 1 lone pair. So in ammonia, nitrogen have how many lone pair? 1 lone pair. Is it okay? Please take the screenshot of this. Now another example, we have taken carbon tetrachloride CCl4. Here carbon is going to combine with 4 chlorine atom. Now carbon have atomic number 6, electronic configuration will be 2, 4. So it have 4 electron in their outermost shell and needed 4 electron to complete it octet. Now chlorine has 7 electron in outermost shell with atomic number 17. So it will need 1 electron to complete its octet. So chlorine need 1 but carbon need 4. It means carbon is going to combine with 4 chlorine and carbon will remain at the center. So carbon with what? So now carbon will place 1 electron at the center towards chlorine, 1 electron towards this chlorine, 1 electron towards this chlorine and 1 electron towards this chlorine. So it is a mutual sharing. So chlorine will also place 1 electron at the center. This chlorine will also place 1 electron at the center, 1 electron at the center and 1 electron at the center. Now by that way the remaining electron will be carried by chlorine, 1 electron placed, so 6 electron means 3 lone pair with chlorine. Now chlorine has completed its what? Octet. Chlorine completed its octet and carbon also completed its octet. So here carbon shared with 4 shared electron with 4 chlorine atom. Then how will you write? By force carbon attached with 4 chlorine atom through single bond. Now in case of oxygen O2, oxygen have atomic number 8, configuration 2, 6. So it required 2 electron and we are going to form oxygen molecule. It is a combination of 2 oxygen atom. So it required 2 electron. So this oxygen will place 2 electron at the center. Is it? And out of 6, 2 placed, then how many left? 4 electron. And in this oxygen also 6 electron, 2 will be placed at the center and how many left? 4 electron. Now by that way it's completed its octet. This also completed its octet. Now how many lone pair with this oxygen? 2 lone pair with this oxygen. 2 lone pair with this oxygen. Now how will you write? O double bond O with 2 lone pair each. So there are 2 shared paired electron. 2 shared pair, 1 shared pair, another shared pair. So 2 bond will be formed. That is called double bond. So oxygen have what bond? Double bond between oxygen and oxygen atom. Now, in case of nitrogen molecule which is made up of 2 nitrogen atom and nitrogen have atomic number 7, electronic configuration 2, 5. So it required 3 electron to complete its octet. So nitrogen will place 3 electron at the center and 2 remain with the nitrogen. This nitrogen will also place 3 electron at center and 2 remain with this nitrogen. So by that way nitrogen has completed its octet. And how many shared per electron? How many? 1, 2, 3. So there will be single, double, triple. Means triple bond will be there. 1 triple bond with 1 lone pair. So in case of nitrogen, triple bond. In case of oxygen, double bond. And in case of hydrogen, you have seen that single bond. So you must know the difference between single, double and triple covalent bond. Please take the screenshot and note down